Hello guys, new video here. Welcome to the channel. I'm gonna show you a strategy step by step that I'm using that it make me earn a lot of money on pocket option. Here we are trading on this market, the euro and New Zealand stock. I mean, not stock but forex. Sorry, because I usually I mean I've been spending my entire life just, um, trading on stock market. I love stock market. I made a lot of money there, and here we are on bucket option. Let's try something new, different. So the strategy I'm using relies on four things, right? So I'm gonna using MACD for sure. It's gonna give us, the volume and also the trend. If it's down the trend, support resistance, we're gonna take the trade. If not, we not. Okay. So second thing is here is E. It on this level of 15, it shows us that we are pretty much sure if it hits the line above or the line down on the bottom. 13, for sure, we're going to take some profit there and it's going to be really profitable. The the third thing that I'm taking is momentum. That's really crucial. It should keep it at 10. That's the level I'm using always. And last thing here last thing is the zigzag, really important because I need to visualize things on the chart too, on the candles basically, yeah. So I think we are all done set up to start the trading session. I'm gonna trade on, probably here we're gonna try well, I mean, I usually take 1 minute, but just for the video, I guess I'm gonna go with 13 seconds. So we're gonna try it, we're gonna test it, and now we have something here. So we are almost crossing here on this level. So now it's time to buy for sure. So we're gonna wait, and I think we're gonna take the 100 profit order just right now on this here. We are left with 7,000, so we are still on the correct decision. And once it's done, it's done. Yes, it's taken. You see it, guys? So we take profit, right? So when you see this crossing, for sure, don't even think it's gonna be a profit. I usually take 1 minute. If I take 1 minute, 100% sure I'm gonna do it. I was not sure on this level of this point exactly. So here, for example, I'm just giving you examples here. When you see this red line crossing down and it's crossing over with the green, man, take profit. Don't hesitate to take profit. And here the momentum. Last thing I confirm with it, the transaction, it's this, right? And sometimes when you see this, for example, here when we will have the end of this zigzag momentum, for sure I'm gonna take position down and it's gonna work 100%. And of course, if we touch here with 70, I'm gonna take it without any. Um, well, still we are raising, and I'm waiting for the momentum to be seated down here. I'm gonna see it now. We just touch, but we didn't cross it. If we cross it, that's really resistance. So here, I think we have to take the decision for sure to down. I take it very slowly. So I was in somehow not on big visions, but I'm pretty much sure if I do the analyze correctly, and I think it's gonna be profit too. Yeah, it's gonna be profit because if I'm following the directives correctly, there's no doubt that you're gonna, uh, you know, turn everything to profit. So I think we are now almost $400, just, for this. And I think here we have some crossing here. So I think it's gonna be something else. Yes, yes, yes. Wait. And now, let me see. I don't have to miss the momentum too because it's really important. Yeah, it's gonna be down now, but I'm gonna take it on, not on 30 second, but on 1 minute. I think it's gonna be a profit. Let's see. Yes, it's coming and it's gonna be a profit because it's gonna cross here, exactly on this position. You see it, guys? We just take it. Here we go. I think, guys, we had enough for this. This is the strategy that I'm working with. We had three trades, and they are all successful without any issue. If you follow these four strategies, four indicators, basically, 100% sure you're gonna take profit. Well, please, guys, support me on this video. It's my first video here. Here's good luck to you. All the best. And don't forget, please, to subscribe and make a like for this video. All the best.